Although historian-specific data providers are also available, most major historians provide an OPC-HDA server interface to retrieve historical data. Set the OPC-HDA server connection string. Set the templates for the tags that will be retrieved for each controller. Each template needs to have an associated unique key so it can be referenced in the custom script that will consolidate these tags into a standard format. For example, some DCS vendors' PID blocks have a mode attribute, and an initialization flag to determine if the downstream block is in cascade. These three tags can be consolidated into a single mode string, for example auto operator. This will be seen in more detail later. The custom script allows tags to be consolidated into a standard format: set point, process variable, controller output, normal mode, actual mode, an availability flag, and an associated quality for each of these. The data provider can then be tested. Note that the custom script has consolidated multiple historian tags into the actual mode and normal mode fields. The custom script can be written to provide any level of flexibility and allows the control performance monitoring system to be independent of how data is archived in a plant historian. Create a calculation, configuring any settings such as what data quality will be accepted or rejected, and set the traffic light performance thresholds that will be used on reports. When creating each controller, the tag templates and the assigned data provider will be used, but if a tag name differs from the naming convention configured in the tag template, a controller-specific tag name can be entered to override the template tag. Each controller can be tested as it is entered to ensure all historian tags are available. Assign controllers to calculations and set the weighting that is used for reporting purposes. This is typically based on the economic value that the loop provides. Typically, only a single reporting hierarchy is created that represents the plant areas. But multiple hierarchies can be created to report on data in different ways if required. The data collector is normally configured to run as a scheduled task a few minutes after each hour as processed data is stored on an hourly basis so that it can be reported on by hour, shift, days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. For illustrative purposes, the data collector is being launched from the command line. This report is designed for shift supervisors and control room operators and provides a rolling report at the end of each shift that summarizes controller performance by crew and also provides a trend of performance over the last 12 months. This report is designed for control system engineers and provides a Pareto chart of the worst performing controllers for the latest period and the reporting period. It also provides details for each controller order by performance. It also provides a trend of performance over the last 12 months. Reports can be exported in all common formats. Reports can also be configured to be automatically sent via email on a scheduled basis to a list of recipients. The report sender is normally configured to run as a scheduled task a few minutes after each hour. For illustrative purposes, the report sender is being launched from the command line.